Did you know that 80% of people misunderstand what balanced healthy eating really means? They think it's just about avoiding junk food or cutting out carbs, but there's so much more to it. In today's video, we're going to uncover the truths about balanced healthy eating and why getting it right is crucial for your well-being. Welcome to your diet channel. In this video, you'll learn what balanced healthy eating really means. It's not just about what's on your plate, it's about how the right balance of nutrients can make a huge difference in your energy levels, health, and overall quality of life. Let's face it, with so much conflicting information out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed when it comes to nutrition. One day, you're told that fat is bad for you. The next day, carbs are the enemy, and don't even get me started on fad diets. The truth is, many people are falling into unhealthy eating habits because of these mixed messages. They skip important food groups or don't eat enough of what their bodies really need. So, what actually constitutes a balanced diet? A balanced diet consists of three main macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Each of these has a critical role in your body. Carbohydrates, especially complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, are your body's primary source of energy. Protein helps repair and build your muscles, and healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and fish, are vital for brain function and heart health. Portion size is also key. Even with healthy foods, too much of a good thing can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Aim for a balanced plate, half filled with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains. Here's the surprising truth: incorporating whole foods into your diet can transform your health more than you might realize. Whole foods are minimally processed, meaning they retain most of their nutrients. For example, did you know that whole grains like quinoa and brown rice are packed with fiber that helps improve digestion and stabilizes blood sugar levels? And eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables gives you a wide range of vitamins and antioxidants, which support your immune system and can even reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. To sum it all up, balanced healthy eating isn't about following strict rules or eliminating food groups. It's about making informed choices, focusing on whole foods, and finding what works best for your body. It's all about balance, giving your body the right mix of nutrients it needs to thrive. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.